If you're looking to visit Las Vegas and stay at the Encore Wynn Hotel, then welcome. I'm Christine with Where in the World is CL, and I make travel videos every week to help you get up, get out, and go travel. This week's video is a room tour of the Encore Resort King. There are so many options for room upgrades and different types of rooms, but I decided to go with just their standard room, and it was so awesome and so comfortable. From the super comfortable bed and extremely spacious room. I loved the floor to ceiling windows, and it had a separate area where you could sit down and also a separate area where you could work. One of the things that I loved in the room was the Alexa, which allowed you to do things like change the temperature in the room or turn the lights on and off, which was awesome. We were on the 27th floor, which had a great view of both the Strip, the Wynn Hotel, as well as the pools and golf course. The Encore pool is separate from the Wynn pool, and during COVID, you have to stay on your side, but normally that's different. The room comes with your standard minibar with all of the alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks you can imagine, and there is a really nice spacious closet. And speaking of spacious, it has a very spacious bathroom. Nice bath, as well as a double sink with a place you can sit down to do your makeup, and just really beautiful, nice, and modern finishes. The plush robes made my 4-night stay a really awesome stay, and I was here for 4 nights during COVID, and if you're wondering what it's like to travel here right now, I have a video on that as well. I'm here every week with new videos. I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao.